welcome to another episode by the Happy Woodworker. Today, I wanted to do just a quick little creative segment. What is the most dangerous tool in the shop? That's a good question, right? For example, I've got belt and disc sanders, I've got scroll saws, band saws, table saws, drill presses, hand drills, hand saws. I've got anything and everything that you can possibly imagine. What is the most dangerous tool in the shop? My answer is going to surprise you. I also think that the most dangerous tool in the shop depends on the woodworker that's using them. For example, you can actually rip off your fingernails on a disc sander if you get them pinched in the wrong place. A bandsaw could take a finger right off. A table saw can create truly awful injuries. This is an old egg beater drill. I used to call these knuckle biters. I have rather large hands. If you get in the way of these gears right here when you're turning, man, they hurt. But the most dangerous tool, the thing that bites me the most, I guarantee it's going to surprise everybody, is that right there. It's a 3/4 inch chisel, and so far, stitches there, scar there, scar there, and a scar there. This is the only tool that has ever bit me ever in 20 plus years of woodworking. Safety is the biggest thing that you can ever understand in your shop. Never operate a tool without understanding how it operates first and asking yourself, how is this tool going to hurt me? But I wanted to do just a quick 2-minute little segment on the most dangerous tool that I have in my shop, and for me it has always been a 3/4 inch chisel. I've never bitten myself with any other size. It's always the 3/4. I don't know why that is. Perhaps because you feel safer using a hand tool than you do a power tool. Woodworking is kind of unique to each individual and how you use your tools. So that's my surprise short little talking tool segment today. The most dangerous tool in my shop, the chisel. Thanks everyone. Happy woodworking.